Hey guys, RadioVipers here, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS server in Windows 10. So before we change our DNS server, we're first going to come to this website here. A link will be in the description. Now at this website you can have a look at a list of free DNS servers. So if you don't know what DNS server you want to use, you can come to this website and you can choose a DNS server from the list. So once you've decided on a DNS server, we can now start changing ours on our computer. So to change our DNS server, all we're going to do is click in the search bar down here, and then we're going to search control, and you should be able to see a desktop app called Control Panel. So we're going to open Control Panel up, and then in the search bar up here, we're then going to search Network, and you should be able to see an option called Network and Sharing Center. So we're going to click on the Network and Sharing Center, and then once that's opened up, we're then going to click Change Adapter Settings here on the left. Now once we click that, that should open up a window that shows all our network connections. So now you need to select the network connection that you're using to connect to the internet. So for me, I'm using the Ethernet cable. So if I click on the network connection and I right click on it, and then I click Status, as you can see it is currently connected to the internet. So now we've found the network connection that we're using to connect to the internet. We're now going to right click on the network connection that we're using, and we're then going to click Properties. And then in the list of connections here, we're then going to select Internet Protocol version 4 here, and then we're going to click the Properties button here. Now at this window is where we can change our DNS server. So to change your DNS server, you just want to select the second option here that says use the following DNS server address. And then once you've clicked that, you can then enter your preferred DNS server. So for me, I'm going to be using the Cloudflare DNS server. So as you can see, it is 1111. So I'm going to come back to this window and I'm going to press 1 space 1 space 1 space 1. And then I'm going to click OK. And then there we go. We have now changed our DNS server. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.